In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move column headers from bottom to top in Tableau. This is a quick, reliable workaround you can use anytime Tableau insists on placing your column headers along the bottom of the view. We'll start from scratch so you can follow along easily. Open Tableau in your browser or on your desktop and make sure you're signed in. Connect to your dataset. I'll use the sample. Superstore data so the layout is familiar, but any dataset with a few numeric measures will work the same way. Create a new worksheet so you're starting fresh. Begin by building a simple view. Drag 3 measures to the columns shelf. Sales, profit, and quantity are perfect examples. You'll see them appear side by side with the axis titles along the bottom. Now drag a dimension, such as customer name, to the rows shelf. This gives us a list of customers down the side and 3 columns of measure values across the top, but the column headers are still stuck at the bottom. Here's the trick to move those headers to the top. We'll use duplicates and dual axes. On the columns shelf, duplicate each of the 3 measures in place. The fastest way is to hold the Control key, then click and drag a measure pill slightly to the right to create a copy. If you're on a Mac, hold Option instead. Do this for sales, for profit, and for quantity. So each original measure has a duplicate next to it. With those duplicates in place, combine each pair using a dual axis. Right-click the second instance of a measure and choose dual axis. Repeat for the remaining measures. After you dual axis each pair, Tableau creates 2 axes for every column, one at the bottom and a corresponding one at the top. So you'll now see titles in both places. To finish, keep the top headers and hide the bottom titles. Right-click the bottom axis title, choose Edit Axis, and clear the title field so it's blank. Then close the dialog. Repeat that for the other bottom titles. You're not changing the data or removing the axis itself, just its label, so your view remains accurate, but the only visible titles are now across the top. That's it. You've moved your column headers from the bottom to the top using duplicates and dual axes, and your view will look cleaner and more conventional for presentations and dashboards. Congratulations!